The vote today nearly unanimous. Just as it did with Pfizer's vaccine, the FDA's outside advisory committee is now recommending emergency authorization for Moderna's vaccine. The full FDA could decide by tomorrow.
The evidence that has been studied in great detail on this vaccine is highly outweighs any of the issues that we've seen.
The Moderna and Pfizer vaccines are very similar. Both use messenger RNA technology that instructs the body's immune system to attack the virus. Both are close to 95% effective after 2 doses. The Moderna vaccine seems to reduce asymptomatic infection by 63% after a single shot. And while Pfizer's vaccine must be kept at negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit, Moderna's can be stored in a typical refrigerator, potentially a better option for hospitals and clinics without deep freezers. This week, millions of medical workers and nursing home residents are receiving the Pfizer vaccine. The vast majority, like Dr. Deanne Hall, a pharmacist at the University of Pittsburgh, report no significant side effects.
How are you feeling today?
A little bit of a sore arm, a little achy muscle, but no fever, headache, or anything unusual.
And Moderna says it has no reports of serious side effects during its trials. But after 2 medical workers in Alaska suffered allergic reactions to the Pfizer vaccine, one of them serious, the FDA says it will revise allergic reaction guidelines and urge that vaccinations occur close to emergency medical treatment.
These cases underscore the need to remain vigilant during the early phase of the vaccination campaign.
Meanwhile, doctors' offices have been swamped with people eager for the shots. Dr. Jake Deutsch runs 2 urgent care centers in New York.
We're getting phone calls. We're getting people messaging us through our portals. Just yesterday, we had a patient walk in and say that she was there for the vaccine.
A nation now hoping 2 vaccines will speed a return to normalcy.
And Tom, I know some states are complaining they're not going to get the amount of Pfizer vaccine next week that they've been promised. What do we know?
Yeah, including Iowa, which says it's expecting now 30% less than it had anticipated. But the government says that's not true, that in fact all the shipments will be spread out over the entire week.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.